Today I would like to talk about my mother. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more educational videos and learning tips. My mother's name is Sherin. By profession, she is a staff nurse and a housewife. She is my best friend and my first superhero. She is a very hardworking, lovable and a kind woman. She takes care of everyone in the family. She knows cooking and prepares very healthy and tasty food for us. She helps with me with my studies and school tasks. She is very much concerned about my health and happiness. She teaches me good habits and moral values. She corrects me whenever I go wrong. She motivates me a lot and she is a good example of motherly love. She is always ready to sacrifice her sleep when I am sick. Her presence makes me very happy and I cherish every moment spent with her. She is an amazing angel and gift from God. I am very proud and lucky to have her as my mother. I thank God for her and I pray God to keep her safe, healthy and happy. I always wish to be with her and I love her a lot. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for more educational videos, learning tips, action songs, speeches, rhymes, question papers, worksheets and so many other interesting videos. So